back. Yes, a particularly famous form of beach life is the starfish. Now, David, you know, on a Friday night, sometimes you like to be a man of mystery. You like to ask questions that people can't answer. And I just feel like there's one of those coming on.
Well, I'm going to oblige, Richard. I'm going to ask you a riddle. What links a banana, cheese, wig, and an enchilada?
I don't know, maybe they're all in your dressing room.
No, that's not true. The answer is, if you put the word big in front of any of those four words, that is big wig, big enchilada, big banana, and big cheese, you create a synonym for a honcho, or the boss.
I'm with you.
But the word I want to focus on is cheese, or big cheese, because it has three fascinating stories behind it, one of which is correct. See what you think. These aren't bluffs. These are all folk etymologies and theories behind the origin of the big cheese. It's got nothing to do with bigger either, I should say. There is a French sentence which is c'est une autre chose, which is that is something else. And it's essentially a play on words, on the word chose. So in other words, just a kind of pun, if you like, the big cheese, or in fact, the word cheese in the 1800s in England became a sort of, that is the cheese, that's the real cheese. It's sort of like the real stuff. That's one theory. The second is, there was a town called Cheshire in Massachusetts. There still is a town. And in 1802, it made a huge block of cheese, 561 kilos.
Oh, that's big.
as a gift to Thomas Jefferson, who was the president of the US. And he took it in his executive mansion, which was the name for the White House before it became the White House. And there it sat for 3 years.
What a smelly dwelling.
It was. And he actually sliced pieces from that cheese and gave to guests. I suppose he couldn't do that quick enough. That is the second theory. And the last one, which I believe is the one that holds the most authenticity, is the word chiz, C-H-I-Z, in Hindi actually just means thing. And with the British occupying India and then the ending of the Raj, that word, the big chiz, the big thing, actually went back to England and became a phrase. And that slowly evolved into cheese because it just went with all those other foods, the big banana and enchilada. So that's the theory. Which one would you have gone for?
Well, look, I have to say, I agree that final one sounds the most plausible. You know, the big chiz, the big thing. It's one of those generic things that is entirely believable.
Exactly.
But I always believe you, David. Once again, I have tonight. Thank you. Let's have a look at our scores. They are equal. Toby and Richard, 14 each, as we head for some more letters. And Richard, what would you like?
Start with a consonant, please, Lily.
V.
A vowel.
A.
Another vowel, please.
O.
A consonant, please.
T.
Consonant, please.
R.
Consonant, please.
L.
Consonant, please.
S.
A vowel, please.
I.
And another consonant, please.
And lastly, H.
Here's the clock. How many did you get from that, Richard?
6.
Toby?
Also a 6.
Let's hear yours, please.
Trails.
And yours, Richard?
I have it written down, trails, as well.
Okay, make a trail across the desk there to verify with each other. No worries, David?
No worries. And in throwing an O into trails, you get tailors, which is a 7 there.
Well found. Toby and Richard, 6 each. Well, on this Friday night game, we have Toby and Richard on 20 points each. They're absolutely level pegging, so can we break that up? Toby, next letters.
Can I have a consonant, please?
Thanks, Toby. R.
Another consonant, please.
T.
And a third.
S.
And a fourth.
W.
And I'll get a vowel, please.
A.
And I'll get another vowel.
E.
I'll get a consonant, please.
L.
Another vowel.
I.
And another vowel, please.
And lastly, O.
Thank you, Lily. Thinking time. How did they go for you, Toby?
I had a 7.
And Richard?
I have a 7 as well.
We still can't split you. Let's go for yours first, Richard, please.
I have waiters.
And yours, Toby?
Realist.
Two nice words, David.
Lovely words, at least they're different. Same length, well done, good 7s. Wastrel is another lovely 7 there, W-A-S-T-R-E-L. Someone, a ne'er-do-well, if you like.
Indeed. But we can't split those scores. Once again, Toby and Richard, 7 each. Let's head back to the numbers now. And Richard, do you have a favourite combination?
Oh, I'm going to have 2 large and 4 small, please.
Thanks, Richard. 2 large and 4 small. And our numbers 4, 6, 9, 2, 25, 75. The target number is 556.
Let's see if we can find it. Well, Richard, how close did you get?
555.
Just 1 away. Nice work, Toby.
555.
Both the same. I should have guessed. Well, Richard, take us there.
6 plus 2 is 8.
6 plus 2 is 8.
Multiplied by 75 is 600.
It is indeed.
9 times 4 is 36.
Is 36.
And I've done another mistake again.
So a problem there for you. Bad luck, Richard. Toby?
I started with 4 times 2
4 by 2 is 8.
times 75 is 600.
By the 75 is 600.
Now 6 times 9 is 54.
6 by 9 is 54.
And if you take that away from 600, you end with 546.
546.
And then if you add 9 to that, you end up with 555.
Have you used the 9 twice here?
Oh, you have.
I've used the 9 twice.
Oh, bad luck, Toby. Well, unfortunately, a little bit of a meltdown for both Toby and Richard here.
Yeah.
So no score for them. But did you get to 556?
I did, and what I did was I asked myself, can I get up to 550 without using the 6, and then obviously adding it on in the last step. And yes, you can. 75 minus 25 is 50. 50 by 9 plus 2, which is 11, is 550. And add the 6 is 556.
Beautifully done. A great solution. But unfortunately for Toby and Richard, no extra score in that round. So they're still 27 all as we head for another break. Another word mix, rasp suit. And the clue this time, on another level. Back soon.